Hello everyone, so today we're going to write a program to print the reverse of a toggle case. So what is the aim of this program? This program aims to print if you write capital T, small case O double G and capital L E, then this will print small t, capital O double G and small case L and E. So let's start writing the program. str. When you write str, the Python automatically understands that you're going to enter a string. So input, enter a string. Now ref, an empty variable. We take the empty variable by writing two inverted commas. So for loop for I in range bracket 0 comma length. This is to find length of a string. So length bracket str colon x, a variable, is equals to str. As every string is an array, we write square brackets I. Now using a condition statement, if bracket x dot is upper brackets, this is a function in Python to check whether a string is uppercase or lowercase. Ref is equals to ref. As we want to add the opposite, so we will write plus x dot lower. This will change the uppercase into the lowercase brackets. Now using elif bracket x dot is lowercase, then brackets colon ref is equals to ref plus x dot upper brackets. So this will change a lowercase into a uppercase. Now else, if it's not a alphabet, then it could be a space bar or a number or any symbol, then ref is equals to ref plus x. Now let's print our answer. Print bracket toggle string reverse equals to comma ref. I also want to print the original string, so I write print bracket inverted commas original string is equals to comma str, as it is stored in str. Now running the program. So let's enter a string capital S string. So this will print small s and tring, and this is the original string. Running it again for suppose this, so it will print exactly the reverse. Now let's enter a sentence with some symbols and spaces. So I like doing Python hashtag @123 and wow. So the output is printed.